Okay, dear students, now we can check some important questions from this part. First, we can check one word questions. Okay. First question, you can see in screen. Define double coincidence of words. This question many times repeated in CBSE board examination as a 1 mark question. The meaning is that what is double coincidence of words? As we discussed in class, the demand of two persons need to be raised at a time. Both parties want to be raised at a time. For example, you and me same time want to accept the exchange. Then only the exchange is possible. Then only this transaction is possible. Otherwise it is not possible. So that is one of the limitation of barter system, that is absence of double coincidence of words. Both parties not willing to accept the exchange. So there is absence of double coincidence of words. Double coincidence of words means in barter system, when demand of two persons for each other commodity is raised at the same time, that is called double coincidence of words. Both parties want to agree the transaction. Then only transaction is possible. That is not possible all the time in barter system. Practically it is not possible. So maybe ask what is double coincidence of one. In simple term, double coincidence of one means two parties want to be raised at a time. That is called double coincidence of ones. Hope it is clear for you. Okay. Then we can move to next question. Another question. How does money act as an intermediate in the exchange process? The meaning of the question is, how the money is acting as a medium of exchange? That is the question. So money eliminates the needs for double coincidence of ones. So here a currency or a coin or whatever the thing which be used as a money, it is accepted by the people. So it eliminates the needs of double coincidence. Here all people are accepting the currency as a money. So exchange process is possible. But in barter system, there is no present of money. There is no currency at all. So double coincidence must in barter system. Here currency is accepted by all the people. That's why money eliminates the need of double coincidence. Example, it is also given once. The shoe manufacturer exchange his shoe for the money. He can purchase wheat or any other commodity in the market. He don't want to wait double coincidence. So money is acting as an intermediate. It is accepted by all the people. So money eliminates the needs for double coincidence of wants because it is accepted by the people. Currency is accepted by the people. That's why money is acting as a intermediate. Then third question. What is the reason for accepting paper notes as a medium of exchange? We all know Reserve Bank of India, that is central bank of our country, signing over all the paper notes. Actually it is merely a paper, even though it is accepted by the people. Crores of rupees depositing in bank. It is merely a paper actually. But we are getting all the goods and services by paying the currency because it is authorized by Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India's governor signed over the paper notes. That's why the people accepting the currency, people accepting the paper currency. That is the thing. So the answer clearly mentioned paper notes are accepted as a medium of exchange because currency is authorized by the government of the country. Here the pulse of the answer, that is currency is authorized by the government of the country. It is authorized by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of central government. The currency is issued and printed by the Reserve Bank of India on behalf of central government. So value is there. That's why we are accepting the paper which issued by RBI. We are giving respect to Indian currency because government approved notes. We know that it is a paper, merely a paper. Even though we are accepting the value, government approved. Okay, you can see in note that approval it is given in paper currency. That's why we are accepting paper notes as a medium of exchange in our country. So these are the possible questions from this part. Okay, so we can see in live video. Thank you students. Have a nice day.